Firstly, I would like to congratulate.
Oh, this time I have with me Worthy Desi Kofara. So first of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So support sub cordially welcome you, sir. Your presence, despite your busy schedule, you came here and your presence has really added flavor to the game. I want to know from you, sir, that what are your contributions for supporters, as you have seen that there is bulk of talent here in Kashmir. Recently, we have come to know that one more guy from Jammu, namely Imran Malik, has made his place by dint of hard work in now IPL. Now Virat Kohli is eyeing on him to, if he bowls well in next session, he may get his place in Indian T20 World Cup. So what are your contributions rather for the supports activities, and how do you want to hone or groom this new generation?
There are two organizations which are dealing with the sports activities in the Jammu and Kashmir UT. The one is the J&K UT Sports Council, and another is the Youth Service and Sports Department. Youth Service Sports and Department deals with the school going children and their extracurricular activities like sports and games. However, the Sports Council deals with those students which are outside the school, however, the Jammu and Kashmir government has started a youth mission under which a number of youth clubs have been registered between the age of 15 to 25 age group, and we have 779 youth clubs registered till now. In every panchayat we have a youth club. Youth club will be supported in terms of assistance by the government to the tune of 25,000 each, and that money can be utilized for the sports activities, for boosting the infrastructure in the sports, whichever they like to purchase. However, regarding the development of the infrastructure like grounds and stadiums in the district, there is a Khelo India scheme under which we have proposed so many grounds to be developed, and there is another scheme under which we are providing every panchayat one play field, and we have only left 14 panchayats in district Kupwara where we don't have any proper land available for development of any ground, and exercise is going on so that a proper piece of land is identified for developing a ground in those panchayats as well. However, there are some grounds which can be extended, which can be developed, can be converted in the good stadiums like one yours. This has a potential to be developed as a good ground, as a stadium, as projected by the locals of this area. We will be submitting a proposal to the Sports Council, since this is under the Sports Council and the concerned department is on it. They are preparing a DPR, and expansion of this is also under consideration. However, regarding the sports, it is the prime need of the hour, and the government has enough scope and has laid a stress on this aspect to keep our youth away from the drug addiction and other social evils. We are on it, and we will inshallah succeed in it, and in motivating our people and diverting their minds and soul and body towards the sports activity in Kupwara district.
Thank you very much. One question, sir. So far as you seem to be very much energetic, so, and you must not consider these words as the words of psychopaths or as the words of obsequious. These are the words expressed by the heart and soul of a well-wisher. I want to know, when you were a kid, like we have kids or these growing youth, so do you play cricket? Do you have love for this cricket?
I have never played cricket, but I love cricket. I have played volleyball. I have been a captain of the volleyball team. So I am a sports lover. It can be any type of support, and we are here to boost up all types of supports in the district of Kupwara.
Thank you very much for talking with Support Sub. This was respected, worthy, elected DC Kupwara. Thank you very much, sir.
You.
May Allah bless you.